Thank you for calling Cabs Restaurant. This is Christine. How may I help you?
I would like to make a table reservation, please.
Certainly. Who I am speaking to?
Miss Moreno.
May I spell out your name? M-O-R-E-N-O. Did I get your name correct, ma'am?
Yes.
May I know your contact details?
0921-3283-162.
Thank you, ma'am. Should I make your reservation under your name?
Yes, please.
When do you want your reservation, ma'am?
Today.
For how many people, ma'am?
For 2.
What time do you want your reservation?
6 p.m.
For smoking or non-smoking area?
Non-smoking area, please.
May I repeat your table reservation?
Yes, please.
You have your table reservation at 6 p.m. today, May 24, 2024, for 2 persons only in the non-smoking area under your name, Miss Moreno, with a contact of 0921-32-831-62. Is that correct?
Yes.
Is there anything would you like to request, ma'am?
None.
Miss Moreno, thank you for patronizing Kids Restaurant. We're looking forward to welcoming you.
Thank you.